Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're planning to install vinyl plank flooring, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to cover the most common mistakes people make during installation and how you can avoid them. Let's ensure your new floor looks perfect and lasts for years to come. Skipping the acclimation process. One of the biggest mistakes is not letting the vinyl planks acclimate to the room's temperature and humidity. Skipping this step can cause the planks to expand or contract after installation, leading to gaps or buckling. Always leave the planks in the room for at least 48 hours before installing. 2. Ignoring subfloor preparation. Another common error is neglecting proper subfloor preparation. An uneven or dirty subfloor can cause the vinyl planks to warp, bubble, or not lock together properly. Make sure your subfloor is clean, dry, and level before you begin. 3. Not leaving an expansion gap. Inaccurate measurements and cutting mistakes can lead to wasted materials and a poor fit. Measure twice, cut once, and take your time to ensure each plank fits perfectly. Remember, it's better to cut a little less and trim down than to cut too much. 4. Not staggering planks properly. Staggering the planks is crucial for both aesthetics and stability. Avoid lining up the seams of adjacent rows, which can create weak points and an unnatural look. Aim to stagger the planks by at least 6 inches to achieve a professional finish. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll ensure your vinyl plank flooring looks great and performs well for years. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more home improvement advice, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy flooring!